we are expecting it to get a little bumpy on descent because there are some rain showers in the Arizona.
Today, man. We finna go in the corner store and show these folks how this shit is, man. Look, we on the block right now, man. You know what I'm saying? We in the middle of North Memphis, man. So we finna go in here in Tomatoes, man. And we finna get some good eating, man. I'm finna show you how this shit look. I smell it, bro. It's some cabbage. I'll take some cabbage. Yeah, I'll take some cabbage with it too. Show y'all what we get for the 12, man. In the hood, man. You gotta come with it. You gotta come with the great. Oh man, this what we get in the M10, man. This used to be a $10 plate. They went up $2, but shit, I ain't tripping, man. You'll never get this out there, man, where I'm at. Look at this shit, bro. We got the good yams on that bit. We got 2 pork chops, bro. Where you getting this at, bro? Real shit. My nigga, he got about 6 wings or something over there for the low of about $6. $6, bro. He'll 6, mine 10. I mean, mine 12. Where you getting this at, bro? You know what I'm saying? It might not mean nothing to y'all, but it mean a lot to us, man. You heard me? This the spot. This the spot, nigga. This your boy, man. Young Trill, man. SFL Auto. This where SFL Auto started it, right here. Right here, look. This building right here. This is where SFL Auto started it. This building right here, man. And that building right there. That's where SFL Auto started it. That's the old shop. Come right here. I don't know what the fuck they got going in there, but this where we was at right here. 3065 Broad, man. You know what I'm saying? This is where all this shit started for me. You know what I'm saying? My car journey started, bro. Like my uncle, he had the pool hall right here, and this the shop part right here. You know what I'm saying? This where I learned a lot of my trial and errors at. You heard me? I learned a lot of trial and errors at right here. We had a lot of good days right here. You know what I'm saying? A lot of bad days right here, man. It was a lot of ups and downs, but I learned a lot right here. Man, I used to have this bitch full with cars. Ain't shit right here now, you know what I'm saying? But man, I'm back in Memphis, bro. This the spot, bro. You know what I'm saying? This bill was like $500 a month. You know what I'm saying? Big up had this side and this side. So I used this shit, all this shit in the front. I had cars all back here and shit. You know what I'm saying? And then now I think I'm finna take you. Well, this was when shit was going smooth. You know what I'm saying? When I was learning, trial and error. So I'm gonna take you where it all started. You know? See, all my folks kind of gone now. You know what I'm saying? So like me, it was me. You know what I'm saying? All my uncles and shit, they older. You know, one of my uncles just passed. My other uncle that owned this shit, he passed, you know what I'm saying? So it's just me and a couple more of my family members here, bro. And we gonna keep that shit together, bro. And like, man, I'm finna get us out this shit, bro. Like, I'm in AZ right now, but like, I had to fly down here for the little funeral. But bro, I'm finna make sure I get us out this shit, bro, you know? It don't take nothing but a little time, man. All in due time. But this where this shit started at. 3065 Broad, bro. Right here. You can ask every nigga from Binghamton. You know what I'm saying? They know me, bro. They know this where my car journey started, man. This the shop, man. This the location. When I run them racks up, bro, I might come back and buy this shit. Who knows? But this it, man. This where it all started. I'm gonna take y'all to another spot, baby. Yeah, man, we right here at the storage location, man, where we, man, like I'm cool with the owners, man. We store a little something from time to time. This is my truck right here that I just purchased right here. This is 7.3, man. So, man, what I'm finna do, I'm finna bring this to the channel. I'm gonna get a new motor, new transmission, paint it, put new mirrors, new bumper, put everything, man. Make it a good truck again, man. This is 2001. Ford F350, man. Diesel. Turbo diesel, man. That's Power Stroke, man. You see this? You see this right here? Show them that, man. This a power stroke, man. We get into a lot of automotive shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Got a lot of shit going, man. The course coming soon, man. I'ma drop it, man. Just let me know what y'all need. What's wrong with it? We need to know what y'all need, man. We got the box trucks over here, man. I need a box truck. Holler at my guy, man. He got stuff up, man. There's a big Ford F650 motor right here, man. He's going to big Ford F650, man. Box truck motor. Showing that box truck motor, man. Box truck motor. Come on. They're my diesel mechanic partners, man. If I was stealing parts for their helping my shit. Do this shit, man. Now I gotta go get rid of some shit to get some shit fixed, man. That's what I do, man. Buy shit, fix it, get rid of shit, and get some more shit. I buy problems and make a solution to them. And then buy more problems, goddamn. Y'all always getting it in over here. It's up in, baby. Let me show y'all a couple more of these things, man. Fucking box truck right here, but I have a couple box trucks. Yeah, I gotta holler at my partner, man. He gonna get y'all right, man. These ain't my box trucks and shit. I just throw my vehicles over here. We got all these internationals. We got an international, we got a freight line and another freight line right here. All them came from the auction. But man, I'm gonna get up with y'all, man.
I just want to show the world that I really do this shit.